In this tutorial, let's go through the viral app which is called Radio Garden Live. Listen to worldwide live radio. This app suddenly went to the top charts in the US App Store in music category, in overall app category. I was wondering what this app is about. Maybe it's not yet in the top 10 apps worldwide, but it's definitely in top 100. And the idea of the app is pretty straightforward. You can listen to over 25,000 live radio stations across the globe in more than 200 countries. And then just tap on any green dot to listen to radio in that city, connect to distant cultures, local communities. There is dark mode. You can search for different radio stations, save your favorite radio stations and all of that. As you can see, thousands of stations. By adding new radio stations every day and updating the ones that no longer work, we hope to give you a smooth international radio listening experience. Don't worry, the radio will keep playing if your phone goes to sleep. So a lot of people really like this app because, excellent radio app. It's a fantastic, wonderful way to explore world radio. And this app was for a while. It's you can see it was developed 3 years ago, 1 year ago, traveled the world. Such a cool app. You can see a lot of reviews, but suddenly maybe it just went viral on TikTok or something like that. And that's what happens. The app is just skyrocketing through the top charts in the US App Store. Let's just explore why a lot of people like this app. So if you just open it up, you can just go here, and then you can try to go to the app, and then you can just tap to explore, and then basically you can just browse around all these different cities, and then you can try to listen to these countries. Every green dot is a city with a radio station, and then you can just browse all around Europe and all around different islands or all around the globe. So all this niche radio stations in anywhere. Then if you want, you can just log the station. You can just find your location if you want to and go to your location. Then you can just tap the heart icon, and then this station will be added to your favorites. Then you can just browse. You can select all the stations depending on different styles. So you can just explore all of that. You can see the specific playlists for the different locations. This is how it works. Then you can just search for specific country, cities across the globe, so you can just explore that. Then there are settings. In settings you can reach out, and you can actually upgrade here for just $2.99, and then remove all advertising. So let's just explore here. So I think this is a one-time purchase. And then if you want to promote your station, you can just submit a radio station, and that's how it works.